Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn colors name. Sky blue color, orange color, black color, pink color, parrot green color, navy blue color, red color and green color. Today we will colors the alphabet ABC till Z. So let's get started. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for butter. B for butter. C for cartoon. C for cartoon. D for duck. D for duck. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. F for fox. F for fox. G for guava. G for guava. H for hen. H for hen. I for India. I for India. J for jacket. J for jacket. K for kid. K for kid. L for lily. L for lily. M for mouse. M for mouse. N for noodles. N for noodles. O for oval. O for oval. P for papaya. P for papaya. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for ribbon. R for ribbon. S for sun. S for sun. T for top. T for top. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. V for vulture. V for vulture. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. Z for zero. Z for zero. Now let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You have to practice this every day. And don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.